morning, class. Today I welcome you all on behalf of Rasa International School to study class 10th Science, chapter number 11, The Human Eye and the Colorful World. It is on your book page number 187. So, in our last chapter, we have studied about convex and concave lens. Okay, and in that we have studied about refraction of light by those lenses. There are two types of lens we have studied: convex and concave. So here in this chapter what we have to study is, now you have to study in that nature, position and relevant size of the image formed by the lenses. तो हमने पिछले चैप्टर में देखा था बेटा कॉन्वेक्स लेंस और कॉन्केव लेंस से कैसे एक ऑब्जेक्ट की नेचर, पोजीशन और उनका रिलेटिव साइज टू दैट ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट. ओके, तो जो इमेज का साइज था रिलेटिव टू दी ऑब्जेक्ट, हाउ कैन these ideas help us to study the human eye? In human eye also there is a lens. Okay, in human eye what is occurring? In human eye uses light and enable us to see different objects around us. So a human eye is basically uses the light which has been either reflected from the object or originating from that object, and this light is being used by the eye to enable us to see these different objects like the glass, the book you read, the phone you are able to see. Okay, in the on the screen of the phone the light is produced, so this object is producing light. And some part of the mobile, okay, if you are studying on mobile or on laptop, the some part of the mobile or the laptop reflect the light due to which you are able to see that part of the object. Because of this light we enable, okay, us to see different objects around us. Okay, it has a lens in its structure. The eye has which kind of lens? Convex lens. Which lens the eye have? Convex lens. So that is why they are discussing that we have studied about the lenses and we have studied about the nature, position and relative size of the image formed by the lenses with respect to that of the object. So in this, in human eye we have to study about the lens which is naturally occurring in our eye, that is your convex lens. What is the function of that lens in the human eye? उस लेंस का क्या काम है? How do the lenses used in the spectacles correct the defect of the vision? किसी की पास की नज़र कमजोर होती है, किसी की दूर की, ओके, किसी की दोनों. So some people are not able to see the nearby, some people are not able to see the distinct object or the far by objects, and some are not able to see both nearby and far by. So the lenses are being used, both concave and convex lens, okay, in the spectacles to correct that defect. We have to study that also in this chapter. Let us consider these questions in this chapter. Okay, so we have learned in the previous chapter about the light and some of its properties. हमने लाइट के बारे में पढ़ लिया, उसकी प्रॉपर्टीज, उसके लॉज. ओके, in this chapter we shall use these ideas to study some of the optical phenomena in nature. Optical means light के related phenomena हमें पढ़ने हैं. Okay, so we shall also discuss about the rainbow formation, splitting of white light. Okay, splitting of white light into constituent colors, 7 constituent colors, Vibgyor. Okay, Vibgyor stands for V for violet, okay, I for indigo, B for blue, G for green, Y for yellow, O for orange, R for red. Okay, Vibgyor. So, and the blue color of the sky also we will discuss in this chapter. Let us see the basic structure of eye. In an eye we have an eyeball. Okay, this is an eyeball. Clear? It is almost spherical, almost, but not actually. Okay, Then we have the retina over here, we have the optic nerve, we have the ciliary muscles, okay, we have the crystalline lens which is the convex lens, we have aqueous humor, the fluid, we have the pupil, the opening, we have the iris which control the opening of the pupil, we have the cornea from which the light is refracted into the eye, most of the light which is coming from the source or from the object, okay. So this is the basic of this chapter, what we have to study in this chapter. We will continue in our next video for further structure of eye. Thank you.